There we go! My January New Year's spread. The cool thing about this one is that, I don't know if you guys saw that, but I used the inside of an envelope. You know, sometimes they're decorated on the inside. So this is one that was metallic. You can see I contrasted my new metallic pens against that metallic portion. But whenever I find things like that, I'm like, wait, I can totally use that for something. That's like the inherent like kind of hoarder in me. So also trying to be a minimalist, I'm like, okay, well, how can I use it? And this is actually what I came up with for using it for. And you could very easily do the same exact thing, but for, you know, happy holidays and have this be a December spread. But, you know, it's January. I had my Christmas tree up until January, so why the heck not use all this festive stuff now? Little trees down here. So, used a envelope from Christmas. This is washi tape that I made. Actually, this is the exact stuff that I made in my video, which I will link up here on how to make your own washi tape. Let's see. Oh, all of this was a tissue paper that I got from in a present from my grandmother, and I really liked the pattern, and I thought it'd be cool to use on a bullet journal spread, so there we have it. And then also this little, I guess kind of sticky tape with the tree pattern, glittery tree pattern, I got from Target with cough cough Santa cough cough. So I got that for Christmas too. And like I said, my Christmas tree is still up, so I have no shame about using this in my January spread. And so for the January 2018, you can see it's got a really nice sheen and it holds up well. Not necessarily on this moleskin paper, but it does hold up on top of the washi tape. But it's just a gold metallic Sharpie, which I am totally loving these guys for everything just around the house. Oh, they're beautiful. So like I was saying, all of my pages are going to be pretty similar from month to month as far as my monthly setup is concerned. So here's got my calendar, pretty basic, brain dump page. I've been throwing washi tape pretty much everywhere because I want to kind of use the stuff I have up so I can either make some more out of new stuff or, you know, just decorate. Oh, here I started, for my habits, I started using boho berry style of kind of cross hatching, which is kind of fun because on a day-to-day basis, it kind of gives you an additional reason to finish all of your habits because you get to make a little pattern. And I mean, as silly as that is, it's actually really been working for me since I switched from up here to down here. Like, I've been doing a lot better. So it's kind of funny to see how like tiny little things like that can really add to like your incentive. So here I got my expenses page, to-dos, and another brain dump because I always need extra brain dumps. This is my affirmations. This is pretty much a yearly page because I'm trying to figure out which affirmations I want to focus on, and I've been writing out affirmations every morning. And yeah, so that's pretty much my entire January setup. very similar to what it normally is. But yeah, it was really fun to experiment with all these different textures and I guess materials, because I feel like sometimes I'm limited by just using, you know, pens and pencils, so I really like this more of collage arts, and it gives me a little zen time where I can just, you know, glue stuff to a piece of paper in any strange arrangement I desire. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this new style of video where it's just me throwing stuff on the welcome page, because that is kind of the biggest part of my monthly setups for me anyway. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and if you like this video, please subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Currently, I'm under 1,000 subscribers, and YouTube is changing it so that you cannot be a part of the partner program if you have under 1,000 subscribers and under, I think it's 4,000 hours of watch time in the last year. So, that being said, every subscriber matters right now. So shout out, hey, if you guys have small, you know, YouTubers that you really like, just subscribe to them, because it means the world to them, especially if they're under 1,000 subscribers. Little selfish plug there. So please do subscribe if you guys enjoy my content. Thank you so much and have a great January. Bye!